Lasso Moderation AI is a game changer for content creators and businesses dealing with user-generated content. And in this review, I'm diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software. If you're looking for a powerful, cutting-edge tool to manage and moderate your online content efficiently, stick around because what I'm about to share could save you tons of time and stress. Now, before we jump into the details, you can try Lasso Moderation AI for free by clicking the first link below, but make sure you stay tuned because I'll give you all the critical info on how this software can improve your content moderation strategies. First off, what exactly is Lasso Moderation AI? This software uses advanced machine learning and natural language processing to monitor and filter user content across platforms. Whether it's in forums, social media comments, or live chats, Lasso can automatically flag inappropriate content, helping brands and creators maintain a positive online environment without wasting hours doing it manually. One of the most standout features is its accuracy. It's not just about catching swear words or obvious inappropriate content. It uses deep AI to understand context, tone, and sentiment. This means it can spot toxic behavior or subtle forms of harassment that simpler filters might miss. Whether you're moderating a gaming community or a corporate customer service channel, this AI has you covered. Another crucial thing to note about Lasso Moderation is how customizable it is. You get to define the level of moderation, setting your thresholds for content that's acceptable. Whether you want to be extremely strict or a bit more lenient, Lasso lets you adjust settings, so you have full control over what gets flagged and what doesn't. Lasso's real-time moderation is a massive win, especially for live events or high-traffic platforms. You'll no longer have to worry about toxic comments or harmful language slipping through the cracks. It allows you to maintain the integrity of your community in real time, ensuring that your brand's reputation stays intact, no matter how active your platform gets. Now, while Lasso does an amazing job moderating, it's also great for reducing the strain on your team. By automating content moderation, you save valuable human resources for more strategic tasks, cutting down on costs and avoiding burnout. If you have a large team or manage a busy platform, this can make a huge difference. Another benefit you'll appreciate is the detailed analytics it provides. Lasso offers actionable insights into the kind of content that's being flagged, helping you adjust your strategies and even identify trends. This data can be invaluable for improving your community engagement and optimizing your content strategies long term. Lastly, let's talk about ease of use. Lasso is designed to be user-friendly, with a simple interface that allows both tech-savvy users and beginners to navigate the platform. Setting up the software takes just a few minutes, and the AI starts learning right away, so you don't have to spend hours tinkering with settings. If you're still on the fence, remember that you can try Lasso Moderation AI completely free. Just click the link below to get started and see for yourself how this powerful tool can streamline your content management processes. Before you go, I've spent years testing out thousands of AI tools for digital marketing, and I've put together a list of my top AI software recommendations in the description below. Check them out for free and see which one works best for your needs.